Hi everyone, I'm Jerome from Cognito Academy and I'll be taking you through O-level physics questions in this series. Let's take a look at this question, which states that a heavy nail is fixed firmly to a wall and is pulled by a string at 40 degrees to the vertical and it doesn't move. So two things we should take note here. The first is that the force that the string is acting on the nail is in the upper right direction. So that excludes options B and D, leaving us only with A and C to consider. Now the second thing we should note here is that the nail doesn't move, meaning that there is no resultant force on the nail, whether we resolve it vertically or horizontally. Let's take a look at option C here. It's possible that if we resolve it vertically, there's no resultant force, but resolving it horizontally, we see that T and R both act on the rightwards direction, while W has no impact when we resolve it in the horizontal direction, meaning that if C were to be the case, the nail would have a resultant force to the right. So that can't be true, so C is also eliminated, leaving us only with A. If you found this useful, do hit the like button and subscribe for more videos to come.